Hey, Chef D here for Nutrifarms. Pasture-raised chicken. Nutrifarms is the only producer of pasture-raised chicken in Ontario in such a large level. This is great because we're getting pasture-raised, healthy chickens, regenerative farming at its best, delivered to your table. Unbelievable. So what we have here is a whole bird, and we're gonna break the whole bird down, which means we're going to cut it into individual parts. We're gonna take our knife, we're gonna run it along the breast cavity. And here, this is what you want to make sure that your knife is nice and sharp. So then you just break it apart, and just remember that the bone's going to be really sharp when you get in here. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to run it around the back of the chicken. Take that, just like so. And then once more. And even if you get your knife and you just put it in, and then just give it a little bit of weight, it's going to break the chicken down for you. There you go. Take it up to the front. There you have it. Now, we can keep this bone, and this is great if you have a bunch of these to make chicken stock, and away we go. So we're gonna take the wing off the bird. There you go, our wing's off. Then we're gonna take our leg, do the same thing. And same with the other side of the chicken. Or you can just keep the whole chicken, have a side chicken. You can bake this, season it, bake it 350 for about 35 minutes, and you have perfectly done chicken. Or like I said, we're gonna break this apart, and we're gonna use the wings for maybe a football party. We're gonna use the legs for amazing dinner with chicken legs, and we're gonna do a stew out of that. You can take one more thigh off if you would like, just like so. You have a beautiful big breast, you have your thigh, you have your drumstick, and of course your wing. Simple, easy, sharp knife is the way to do it, and we're gonna create so many great different recipes with each one of these. Won't you join me?